So in this video I will explain inverse Laplace transforms by using the partial fractions. So there are three different types. First one is if the denominator has distinct factors. That is, suppose if it has 1 by s plus a into s plus b, then we'll write this as a by s plus a plus b by s plus b. So for example, if you take 1 by s minus 1 into s plus 2, maybe s plus 1 or s minus 1, then we can write it as a by s minus 1 plus b by s plus 2. We'll simplify it. See, throughout you multiply this by throughout this equation by s minus 1 into s plus 2. So left hand side becomes 1. Here s minus 1 gets cancelled. We'll get a into s plus 2 plus b into, here s plus 2 gets cancelled. We'll get s minus 1. Now we'll find the constants. Put s is equals to 1. If s is 1, left hand side is 1. A into 1 plus 2. Second term, it is 1 minus 1, so it will be 0, which implies 1 is equals to 3a, or a is 1 by 3. Now to find the b, I'll substitute s is equals to minus 2. So left hand side is 1. A into here minus 2 plus 2, this term becomes 0, plus b into minus 2 minus 1, so 1 is equals to minus 3b. So what is b? Minus 1 by 3. So what we can do, it is like 1 by s minus 1 into s plus 2. a is what is that? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 by s minus 1, and this will be minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 by s plus 2. So write its inverse. So inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus 1 into s plus 2. Or you can write this as 1 by 2, 1 by 3 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus 2. So 1 by 3 into s minus 1 inverse e power t minus 1 by 3 into s plus 2 inverse e power minus 2t. So this is how we will find the inverse Laplace transform if the denominator has distinct factors. If the denominator has repeated factors, so suppose like 1 by s minus a into s plus b whole square. This is repeated. It is called a linear repeated. So we can write this as a by s minus a plus b by s plus b plus c by s plus b whole square. So I'll take up an example based on this. Suppose if you have an example like 1 by s plus 1 into s minus 1 whole square. So this I'll write it as a by s plus 1 plus b by s minus 1 plus c by s minus 1 whole square. So this is how we can write it. Now throughout equation, you multiply this equation by this denominator. So this becomes 1. Here s plus 1 gets cancelled. We'll get a into s minus 1 whole square plus b into s minus 1. One term will get cancelled. So we'll get s plus 2 into s minus 1 plus c into s minus 1 whole square gets cancelled. We'll get s plus 1. Now we have to find the constants, all the three constants. So I'll substitute s is equals to 1, put s is equals to 1. So left hand side is 1. Since s minus 1, this term will be 0. In the second term also there is a s minus 1, that term will also be 0. C into 1 plus 1, which implies 1 is equals to 2c. Or what is c? 1 by 2. So now we'll find another one. So therefore, it is not s plus 2, this is s plus 1 here. This is s plus 1. So now I'll substitute s is equals to minus 1. So therefore, first term left hand side is 1. A into minus 1 whole square. Second term 0. Third term will also be 0. Now this is 1 into minus 1 minus 2 whole square, that is 4a, which implies a is 1 by 4. So by substituting certain value we are unable to get the another constant, so I'll substitute 0. Put 0, put s is equals to 0. In which equation? I'll substitute in this equation, put s is equals to 0. So what will you get? Left hand side is 1, a into 0 minus 1 whole square plus b into, what is that? 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1. b into 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1 plus c into 0 plus 1. So simplified, so it becomes 1 is equals to a minus b plus c. Now you substitute, a is 1 by 4 and c is 1 by 2. So 1 is equals to a 1 by 4 minus b plus c is 1 by 2. So that what will happen, b I will take it to the left hand side, so it is b 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So what is the LCM? LCM is 4. So this will be 1. 2 2s are 4. 1 plus 2. And this will be 4 minus 4. 3 minus 4 will be 1 by 4. So what is B? Minus 1 by 4. So therefore, what is the inverse? 1 by s plus 1 into s minus 1 whole square will be a. A is 1 by 4 by s plus 1. B minus 1 by 4 by s minus 1 plus c 1 by 2 by s minus 1 whole square. So write the inverse of 1 by s plus 1 into s minus 1 whole square will be equal to 1 by 4 is a constant. Its inverse will be e power minus t minus 1 by 4. Its inverse will be e power t plus 1 by 2 into s minus 1 is there, so I will write e power t. Still there is a whole square, so I should write should write 1 by s square. S minus 1 whole square. For s minus 1, it is e power t. But I have to write the inverse of 1 by s square. So therefore, it is 1 by s, 1 by 4 into e power minus t, 1 by 4 e power t plus 1 by 2 into e power t, 1 by s square inverse will be s. So this is about the second type. So third one, I'll just give you the definition how to solve it. So then you can solve it. If the denominator has irreducible quadratic terms, suppose for example, if we have 1 by s minus 1 by s plus 1 into s square plus 2s plus 2. So you cannot factorize the second term. So therefore, what we have to do, we have to write a. A is a linear term, so a by s plus 1. Second term, because you cannot factorize this one, so I'll write bs plus c by s plus s square plus 2s plus 2. So by finding the constants ABC and by making use of the completing the square for this term, we are able to find the inverse Laplace of this. Thank you.